my cozy corner in my guest room space. This little nook allows our guests to unwind before they retire for the night. They can enjoy a cup of tea, a hot cup of cocoa, or just simply sit and read a book. The acrylic tray that you see, along with the pillow covers on each of the pillows, are all from Amazon. The chair is an Ames chair. It is modern inspired, and it is also from Amazon. You'll find the 2 Christmas decorations on the nightstand here in a recent haul from Family Dollar. There's a little Christmas tree. That one is from Dollar Tree. And the Let It Snow lantern is from Family Dollar for $5. On the tray, I have a mug with a little cozy, and I do have a DIY at the end of the video if you'd like to see how I made that. There's a tea towel, just some freeze-dried marshmallows, a spoon so that they can comfortably stir the beverage, a disposable napkin, another stirring element. I just have a cocoa-flavored candy cane, hot cocoa, my favorite, and just an insulated bottle to hold some hot water. I do have a hot water pot in my guest room, but having this decanter, this insulated bottle, allows the guests to enjoy the beverage right away. For this really quick and simple DIY project, I'm using some super soft, cozy socks that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree. These come in various colors. They have them throughout the year. I also have some scissors and one of my favorite mugs. I'm also going to use some odd buttons. I have 3 of them, and a needle and thread.